channel, welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video we are doing the Fabfitfun seasonal unboxing. We are obviously doing fall's season. I'm really excited because I actually didn't get BoxyCharm last month, and it wasn't because I canceled or anything. My box literally just didn't show up. So I have been wanting to unbox one of my subscription boxes for a little while now, and this one arrived on my door this afternoon and I was very excited and very happy to receive it. So let's dive into it. I'm just going to quickly open it up. Alright, so when you open up this month's box, it looks like this. So get rid of the packing paper, and the magazine is on top with all of their coupons that they give out, and then everything is packaged really nicely like this. So this month is a little bit different. Usually it comes with like little pieces of almost like confetti used as the packing, but this season they used cardboard, so that's interesting. That's the similar cardboard that BoxyCharm uses that I'm not a fan of. I don't really like that for packaging because things tend to get broken when they use this type of material. I prefer their bubble wrap style that they used to do, and the confetti, I much prefer that. Even though it's kind of messy, strongly prefer that over this. This is not great, so that's an interesting start. We're gonna go through all of the coupons. So I got a 45 credit on a wine thing. I got a $15 off on Gather the Good. I'm gifting, oh, this is for one of you guys, so a $15 off. So if anybody wants to try out Fabfitfun, they can let me know and I can give them the code so that they can get $15 off their first box. I got an $80 coupon for this HelloFresh meal service, and then I got the magazine. So last month, I think I liked it, or last season, I gotta get in the habit of saying season. I liked it better because it wasn't like a full, I don't believe it was like a full magazine. I believe they just gave us like a price list of everything, and I strongly prefer that over the magazine because I hate flipping through magazines to find the price. It's really annoying. Speaking of which, I need to go find my phone so that we can tally this up. Alright, so I'm just gonna go to the first thing that I see that I am gravitating to, and that is this box here, and I believe that I'm already on the page of this. So this is the Mom Stops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. So it's a mason jar hydration kit, I believe. Let's see if I can get this open. Ooh. I like the color of it a lot. So it's a water bottle style. It's really nice. It's like, it reminds me of my speaker. I actually have a waterproof speaker that is this exact color. So this is the ditch the plastic and opt for this sleek glass bottle, which holds up to 20 ounces, and this retails for $35. So it's a mason jar style water bottle. It's just like a glass water bottle with like a case around it. I actually have a water bottle that I like love using, and it is a plastic, like a Tupperware style container, but it's the one that I actually prefer using. So I don't know if I will use this right away. I will use it eventually, but it's pretty heavy, and I don't really know if I want something this heavy in my purse because I carry my water bottle around with me everywhere. But this is a really, really adorable color, and $35 isn't bad. I really like the material too that it's wrapped in, so that's really awesome. So $35 for this glass water bottle is a pretty good start. So let's move on to the next thing. So I got these hair clips. So they just look like this. They're kind of like, they remind me of stones almost. So they're like pink and then like stone color, I guess. 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio. Pin your hair to perfection with this trio of resin plated pins. So they're actually made of resin, so that's really cool. These retail for $32. That's really, really expensive for hair clips. I personally wouldn't have purchased this on my own if I had not gotten this in a subscription box, because I would not pay $32 for hair clips, especially if it's only 3. You can get 3 hair clips very similar to this at the dollar store. So, me personally, I think that's very overpriced. This is the brand, does it say 8 Other Reasons is what it's called? And it retails for $32. Like I said, that's very, very expensive. They are really cute clips, but I don't really use clips in general. So this is kind of a throwaway item to me personally. I might just give this away to one of my friends that actually uses clips and stuff in their hair, but I personally don't, and I really won't get use out of these. So I'm gonna put these to the side, but I wouldn't pay that price for them. That's kind of crazy, actually. So the next thing I see is, so this is Dr. Dennis Grohl Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. So ingredients like farnesyl, adipic acid, and a word I can't say, type of mushroom, helps dissolve waxy buildup and flush away impurities. So this retails for $65. Holy crap. Let's see what it says on the box. It says, silicone-free pore treating serum that delivers a filtered appearance as it tackles existing pores and helps prevent new blackheads from forming. Immediately experience smaller looking pores without shine. Our pore perfecting complex featuring farnesyl alipaic acid, ergonic mushroom, and prickly pear helps dissolve away waxy buildup within pore walls and flushes away impurities. Our alpha beta complex helps improve natural cell turnover and helps reduce future blockage. The result, a flawless filtered effect. That's really interesting. I'm actually very excited to try this out. I like the packaging. The packaging is really, really cute. It's very similar to actually a serum that I'm already testing out right now. I'm doing a month-long test on a completely different serum, but it is the exact same packaging, just a blue bottle instead of white. But this retails for $65. That is very expensive. And I'm very, very, very excited. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? I hope not. I'm very, very excited to try this out. So let's add this to the total. So $65 for this one item. That already completely blows away this box. We are at $132 and I only paid $80 for this box. So that is really awesome. The next item I see is from the brand Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. So this is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. So use this treatment mask to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands with creatine technology and argan prickly pear oil. So that's 2 items now with prickly pear in it. That's really interesting. I've never actually used anything with that ingredient, so I'm very interested to looking into that one and seeing what the benefits of prickly pear are, because I actually have no idea. So it says a bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. So it is cruelty-free. It has the cruelty-free bunny on it, the logo, and it is this kind of mint container. I'm really curious what it smells like. Oh, that smells really good. It kind of reminds me of, it really does remind me of like a salon style scent, like I don't know the scent of it. It's kind of reminding me of a little bit of cucumber mixed in with like a strong perfumey, flowery scent, almost like, I don't know, a really, really floral scent. It's very floral. Just keep that in mind. So if you do not like really, really strong floral scents, you might not like this because the scent is very, very strong, but I do personally think it smells really nice. So I'm very interested to try this out. I think I'm actually going to use this tonight in the bathtub and I will let you guys know my thoughts on it. Maybe I'll do a whole separate video just on this in general because my hair needs some love. So this retails for $16 and that is very reasonable. So I really hope that I do end up liking this particular product, because if it's only $16, I definitely will look into it and probably repurchase it if I do like it, just because that is a very reasonable price and I have been looking for good deep conditioning masks that will actually work on my hair, because you guys know my hair is fucked. So the next item I see is Glow Milk. What the hell is Glow Milk? Interesting. This is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date. So enriched with coconut, this highlighter gives you a lit from within glow. So this is a highlighter. Okay, I'm really interested. Get this open. What does it look like? Ooh, that's actually really cute. So it is a kind of a rust kind of bronzy color. It's really pretty. It's kind of like rose gold almost. So this nourished with coconut oil illuminating milk for face and body. So it is like a body highlighter, and I'm really scared of liquid highlighters because I end up using way too much and then aliens can see me from outer space. Like, I already am pretty glowy as is with just like my Jeffree Star highlighters, so this is going to be really fun to use. I'm definitely going to try this out. So this retails for $19.50. So that is not too bad for a highlighter, and I'm very excited to try it out. You get, how much product do you get? Does it say? So it is also cruelty-free. It has the cruelty-free logo on it. Let's see. So you get 15 milliliters. So that is 0.53 of a fluid ounce. So this is a cruelty-free brand. It says, Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter. Okay, so they're saying champagne. In my lighting, it's kind of looking more like rose gold than it is champagne. Champagne is more like really light beige yellowy in my opinion. So this is more coppery, I would say. It says, enriched with coconut glow milk, hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on high points of your face and collarbone. Blend with your fingers. So I'm really excited to try this out. I will definitely do a look with this in the future. It probably would have went really well with this look tonight, but I will try this out in the future. It's also not too bad of a price. $19.50 is not bad for a highlighter, considering I spend way more on Jeffree Star highlights. So that's awesome. So the next thing I see is, I think these are glasses. Nectar, where is Nectar? So Nectar sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses. So in brown tortoise, brown tortoise, I can't read. It says block blue light from your computer or phone and keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. So this is now the second item I've gotten that is capitalizing on protecting your skin and protecting your eyes from blue light pollution. So I'm really interested in looking into that a little bit further and figuring out why blue light is so needing to be protected against, because I really don't know much about it. But this is what the glasses look like, so you can see my ring light through it. So when I put them on, they make everything kind of a yellowy color. They're actually pretty cute. I would say that they are kind of fashionable. Because I have a wig on though, like my wig is getting in the way of my ears and these sitting on my face properly, but they are actually really cute. I do think they are adorable. My one thing with them is they feel incredibly cheap. These feel like dollar store glasses. I am not kidding when I say I will probably break these very quickly. And honestly, personally, I don't really need glasses that aren't my prescription. I'm not gonna wear something on my eyes, on my face, that isn't actually my prescription because I do wear glasses. So this is a ridiculous item in my opinion. It's very cheap. The plastic literally feels almost worse than dollar store material. It's very flimsy. It's already bending. Like, it's very cheap plastic. So I think this is a ridiculous item. Also, the lenses are dirty. It looks like something's spilt on them, and that's kind of gross already. So that's kind of crappy. These retail for $45. I would not spend $45 on these because they feel worse than dollar store material. I think this is a hilarious item. I'm going to look into blue light pollution a little bit more, but I don't need a pair of sunglasses when I'm sitting at my computer screen. I need my actual glasses. So these don't really work for me. If you don't actually wear glasses, these might be a cool thing for you, but I would suggest getting a little bit better quality of a pair of glasses because these literally feel like children's toy glasses that you would get from the dollar store. Highly not impressed. So they retail for, I think I said $45. That is very expensive and overpriced for cheap feeling glasses. Not impressed with that at all. The next thing I see is Petty in a Box Deluxe. So they're capitalizing on fall, obviously, because this is a fall seasonal box, but none of the items that I've gotten so far have really screamed fall to me. It's just kind of like a random box full of stuff, not really a theme or anything. Personally, I don't really think that this is really fall themed at all besides this one product. So this is the pumpkin spice Petty in a Box. So it says, New York Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice, made with pumpkin extract and fruit enzymes, naturally exfoliate dead set skin cells, and vitamin A, C, and E help to reveal radiant skin. And this retails for $20. So I'm gonna open it up and see what is in it. Okay, so it's a salt soak that you get and a pumpkin spice. Oh, they're both salt soaks, okay. Is that what it is? Oh, I see. Okay, so I got a salt soak in pumpkin spice. I got a sugar scrub in pumpkin spice. I got a mud mask, and I got a massage butter. So these are really awesome. I honestly thought that this was going to be like a manicure pedicure kind of set, like where they're gonna send you polish, and I was kind of disappointed because I don't need nail polish because I don't use nail polish. I use fake nails and I don't do my toes. I get them done when it's not COVID. So I was really disappointed when I found out that I was getting this item because I didn't really know much about it other than hearing that it was a pedicure box item. But now I'm actually really excited because this is a like mud mask, salt scrub, sugar scrub. That's really cool. And it's actually a reasonable price. So you get sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, and a massage butter. And my feet will hopefully feel better because I'm definitely going to try this. I might bring this over to my girlfriend's house and we'll do like a spa kind of girls night, because this would be really, really fun. And again, for $20, you can't really go wrong. That's reasonably priced considering you get a bunch of different packages. So I'm really excited for this. This is actually an awesome item. I'm a lot less disappointed than I thought it was going to be. So that's really cool. And the last item that is in this box is the one item I've been the most excited for, and the one item that I've been waiting until the end to talk about. So this is Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with rose gold colored barrel. So made with tourmaline infused ceramic, this curling iron increases hair shine and creates voluminous curls, and it retails for $99. So I didn't actually have a curling iron, and this is one of the items that I personally got to pick. So I'm really excited that I got this. This was one of the main reasons that I didn't actually cancel this box this month. I was going to cancel because I wasn't really feeling subscription boxes lately, and I was going to cancel, but I ended up seeing that we were getting a curling iron, and I was like, okay, now I don't want to cancel because I do need a curling iron, and this curling iron alone basically pays for this entire box. So I'm really excited. It's a really, really cute curling rod. So it looks like this. It is a rose gold barrel, and I'm very, very excited to try this out. As you guys have seen on my channel, my sister has a bubble wand, and I use that sometimes, but I didn't actually have a wand of my own, and I really, really wanted a full-size curling wand for me to be able to do my hair without having to use a straightener. So I'm very excited. Again, this retails for $99, and that's really awesome. I definitely wanted a curling iron, and I've been looking on the market for a little while for one, and I almost caved and bought one, but I'm super glad that I didn't because we got it in this seasonal box. So that's really cool. It comes with the directions, the instructions, all that stuff. But that was everything that was in this seasonal box for BoxyCharm. So the total value of my box was $331.50. So these boxes range between $214 and $544. Mine ended up right in the middle at about $330, and I only paid $80, 80 Canadian for this. So this is amazing. So I believe this retails for a total of $214 USD to $544 USD. It's actually worth about 438 Canadian, which is incredible and very, very, very expensive considering I only paid 80 Canadian for this box. So I'm really excited. Everything I got is pretty awesome. The only two things that I'm not really that excited about was the hair clips and the sunglasses, because the sunglasses feel incredibly cheap and I really just don't need them. That's just a waste of a product in my opinion. But the clips are cute, but I will just give them away to a friend because I don't particularly need them. But everything else was really awesome. I'm super excited to go try this out tonight. I will definitely do a video on this because I am very curious if this is going to help my hair or not. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys got Fabfitfun this season, let me know if your boxes were similar to mine, what you guys got, what you guys picked for your 2 items that you get to choose from. I know that I chose I believe I chose the Dr. Dennis Gross treatment thing, and I believe I chose the curling iron. So I'm really excited for the seasonal box. I cannot wait for the winter one, because the winter one last year I believe I got a blanket, and the season before that I believe I got slippers. I don't know, I've gotten so many cozy items in the winter box that I'm really, really excited for this seasonal winter to come, and we are in September, so winter is coming. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!